Hello everyone. Today I want to show you one thing that is a basic concept that you have to keep that in your mind while using JavaScript that I and that I got encountered with a, no, a normal basic thing. To give you the general idea, this is the question that in this array I want to check that I want to get all those number who are not repetitive. Okay, it comes only once itself. So here is a simple for loop. In for loop, I have created an object, and in object I'm checking. I put it an empty object there before the for loop. I'm checking that is any value there. Then i- if it is not, if any value is not there, then it is simply showed undefined. Otherwise, it has a value. Then it got plus plus. The value frequency, the key value is going to get upgraded by one, okay, incremented by one. Or if it is not there, then it simply shows the undefined, and if it shows undefined, then we have to simply assign a value one, okay. And then after that, I'm giving a simple empty array. Uh, After that, I'm using for loop, sorry, for in loop. It is especially for the object uh, to make it simpler, not this much lengthy. So in this, I have given one condition that if in object the index is having a value 1, then push it in the empty array. This UNI unique, it's a short form though. It's unique empty array. Push that in. So while doing this stuff, I get to know something that I was doing wrongly. Let me give you the brief intro about that what I was doing wrongly. So I have made a mistake in foreign loop that I was assigning object as a dot object, and I was checking that it has one value or not in this foreign loop. So it simply says that uh, this doesn't exist. The property we are assigning that is. So while using for loop, string represents a key that so we have to access it with the bracket notation, not a dot notation. So mostly we have to avoid this dot notation because it's simply sometimes don't work by the way, and we all get frustrated as a beginner coder. So simply use this bracket notation most of the time while you are not acquainted with the whole JavaScript basic. So this learning you can get from this from here. And then after that, I was pushing this x this index value, this key uh, into the array to get the final answer that which is non-repetitive. So this in I was typing this syntax, and this syntax is wrong because of this syntax suggests that uh, while pushing and is an array method that takes an argument. It takes like what I'm pushing is act as an argument, and while pushing anything an argument, you have to use parenthesis. Means parenthesis we call a small bracket, so this we call parenthesis. We don't have to use a big bracket. We have to use parenthesis, okay, square bracket. So this was the learning, and this was the correct approach to use that you don't have to use dot notation, and you have to use a bracket and this one. So this was the simply the learnings that you can get.